Hello guys. Oh my gosh, I know at this point this is getting ridiculous. I am not an inconsistent person. I can't speak for my actions. I don't know why I have not done a video. Well, I know why, but we're gonna just skip all past that. I'll give you guys an update later. But I was gonna go ahead and do my house tour while my kids are at my parents' house this weekend, and the house is clean. It's like clean. It looks like nobody lives there, kinda. So I figured now would be the best time to show you guys everything that we've done since we moved here. We've been here for like 1.5 years now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the inside. Okay, when you first walk in, hold on, make sure it's clean. Okay, there we go. When you first walk in, the what is this, dining room is over to the right, and that is Camden's gate. He's at my parents' house, so I just put it out the way, so that's why it's over there. Over here I just have a plant, a little clock on the wall. This is Casey, our vacuum cleaner. And then got this armoire, y'all probably remember that from the old house. And then I got this huge mirror over here. Love it. So yeah, this is the dining room. Remember when I first moved here, I said that I hated the blue and I was gonna paint it. Well, when I put the furniture in here, I was like, oh, okay, like I feel it, looks nice. So I actually ended up liking it and I didn't change it. So that's that room. This is just a coat closet / junk closet. And then into the living room. So when you come over this way, I just have 2 chairs over here. Okay, I keep the kids' toys in here. And then we actually recently got a new couch. The other couch, y'all, it was too light. It kept getting stains on it. And I got it cleaned and it still didn't look clean in my opinion. So I was like, done. So this is a reclining couch. It's from Haverty's, because I know someone's gonna ask. I got this rug from Big Lots. That is from TJ Maxx. The chairs are also from TJ Maxx. The pillows are from, where? Big Lots too. Yeah, the pillows are from Big Lots. Okay, then I just did this little picture wall. The wreaths are from Target. I don't even know what those are called. The little farmhouse looking things. They're from Amazon. And then these photos, like, look at us over time. If you guys haven't seen us in a while, if you're not following me on Instagram, you need to follow me. All of these pictures were posted, but I will put the company I got these from here in the video somewhere. But love those. This is the biggest change, y'all. So we did not have this when we first moved into this house. My dad actually built this for us. Love it. It was exactly what I wanted. So we did the shiplap up top, and then I couldn't choose between stone or shiplap, so I did a little stone frame around the fireplace. So I absolutely love it. He also built the mantle, and I just put some stuff up there. I think I got that stuff from Target and Ross. So love how that came out. This is from Ross as well, that basket. This plant is from TJ Maxx. That plant is from Target. And then on to the kids' playroom. Okay, so this is what the playroom looks like. More toys in this little thing. And I just put some pillows up there with a blanket. Taylor acts like that's her bed sometimes, so she'll lay up there. And she would also take a nap there after preschool sometimes. That's Camden's, of course. I just keep his balls in there. The kids love that little teddy bear. To me, my grandmother gave it to them, my Nana. To me, it's too big, but they love it. So I just put it in the corner, and sometimes they'll just go over there and sit on it. Kitchen set. This is from Sam's Club. Tiffany put me on and made me make an impulsive purchase for that. And this is also from Sam's Club. And then this is the deck. We put furniture out there. We also have a rug, but it's been raining a lot, so we have to cover up the furniture. Avi. So I will show you guys what that looks like at a later date. Y'all probably remember this table. It used to be brown. We painted it white and we put it here so the kids eat and Taylor does her work there. This is the kitchen. Yeah, I just got bar stools. We've had those forever. And then this is also part of the kitchen. I love the island. Yeah, this is pretty much, yeah, this is it. Refrigerator. Love the island. And then this is our mudroom area. Whew, I heard that. Like, yeah, I literally just felt like a feeling of gratefulness come over me. Like, I feel so grateful, so I just wanted to share that. Thank you, Lord. But I think I got this from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, this is where we keep our coats. I know, it's ridiculous. I need to hang some of them coats up. And then we got a little bench right there and more in like baskets with shoes in them. Looks a mess, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. This is our like powder room, bathroom. Downstairs, those are from Amazon. And that's what that looks like. Toilet, you don't need to see that. Yeah. And then garage, y'all. Now there's some trash out here, but I want to show you guys our little gym area. Yeah, so CJ just got that, and y'all know I love running, so I got that. So yeah, that's that. And I purchased this bike from the neighbor across the street, and I don't really care for it, but yeah. Anyway, next, going upstairs now. Okay, when you first come upstairs, there's a window here. Let me open the blinds. Get some lighting in this area. Okay, come upstairs. And there's like a little, I just put a chair in that corner. I want a rug here, I think. I also need to change that table out because I don't like it. I just put that mirror there. I like it better. But I want to put a table there with a plant on it. And then I just bought something to go on this wall. And I'm going to put a plant in that corner. So then when I take pictures right here, it'll be cute because I got something in the back. And it won't just be like walls behind me. I would actually have something hung up right there. Okay. So then this is me and CJ's room, not just my room. This is our room. The bedside tables are from Kirkland's. I don't remember where we got the pictures from. I want to say Home Goods. I think Home Goods. I don't know. But this is a bed. This is our other dresser. The TV's mounted. And y'all, when we first moved here, I was like, okay, this is super high, but that's where the other owners had theirs, and it's like a little something in the wall where you can put the cords through, so they had to hang it high. But it's actually not bad when you're laying in the bed. So, yeah, that's that. Mirror there. Okay, I just got some more light in here so you guys can see again. But yeah. This is my dream board, you guys. This is actually the one on the left is from last year. I still have things that I want to accomplish on that one, so I kept it up. And then this is my dream board from this year. And I specifically put it here because I wanted to make sure it was in a place where I would see it every single day. And that fell down, but it's okay. But yeah, biggest mistake that I believe people make is not putting their dream board in a place where they can view it. Like, they spend all that time creating it and then it sits in the closet for the rest of the year. And if you're not seeing your goals, people, the Bible says without vision the people perish. So if it's out of sight, it's going to be out of mind, and you're not going to do what you need to do to get it done. Okay, so wanted to show you guys this too. So we promoted to the second to highest rank in the business, you guys. Like, I am so blown away. Like, my team is killing it right now. I'm going to put our income disclosure statement so you guys can see the income potential of my business. I absolutely love what I do. I'm sure you guys know that's actually why I have been away from YouTube for so long, but I've been wanting to come back, so I'm here. So we are actually pushing for the top rank in the business, which is a huge goal. Let me turn this around. Out of breath. We're shooting for the top rank in the business next month actually, which is a huge goal because I do have a predominantly black team, so I do not take that lightly at all. I feel like a lot of people from our culture assume that opportunities like this are not for us, so I'm cool with being like the front face and letting people know like, yes, it is for us, and yes, we can be great at this. So I'm going to include the income disclosure either here or on the next somewhere, so you guys can see again the income potential. So back to the tour. Okay, so this is our master bathroom. So behind here we have a tub. Love the lighting that this window gives y'all. Like, look, like, y'all, look at that lighting. So bomb, right? Like, oh, so nice. Okay, so yeah, this is a bathroom. Nothing much to see here. That is the shower. This is our countertop. That's it. I love these mirrors. I loved them when we first got them. Still love them. Okay, out of our room now. Okay, on to the kids' rooms. So this first room over here is Camden's. I just changed it out, so now it's more big boy. So I just bought this rug here where he can play on it with his little car. I put his car right there. Hopefully no one trips over it. Yeah, this is the wall art, period. Camden, and then I fixed his bed up. We actually just got a twin size bed for him. So we could go ahead and transition him. He does not like sleeping in his bed, so we figured him having a twin size bed will allow us to transition him better, because we would be able to kind of lay with him some nights until he falls asleep. So like, he's literally shaking, guys. When I leave him in here, he's like literally shaking. And then y'all know my dad built that. I want to put something on the side of that. Now that I'm looking at it, looks a little, you know, alone. But it's okay. We'll find something to put on the sides of that. All right, next room and hallway. So this is a hallway. This is my Nani's room, Taylor's room. I just updated it a little bit. I changed the room around. That's all I did. Her closet is behind this door here. So this is my baby's room. It smells so good in here, y'all. I just bought a pink curtain rod to go up there. And then she got her little toys and stuff down here. I also bought some new knobs to go on that. And I'm gonna put a bedside table. It's really small with her lamp there. This little lamp right here that I just purchased. And this sign is gonna go in front of it. I don't know who moved this stuff around. This is Taylor's little dollhouse. She's gonna be so excited when she sees this. I kind of like set it up for her. So they're like chilling upstairs. Yeah, I had too much fun doing that. And we just mounted her TV on the wall. She got her little ballerinas there. So that's this room. And then this is the laundry room. This is the bathroom, the kids' bathroom, even though they use our bathroom more than their own. So I guess it's like a guest bathroom. And yeah, this is it. That's pretty simple. And then this back room here, this is our back room. This is our guest room slash office. Okay, so here's the 411 on this room. So I do not like the color of this room. I never liked it. Hold on. Okay, y'all, open the blinds so you can see the true color of the room. I do not like this color. I never did, but my parents and everybody else said they liked it, so I made it work. Y'all can see I got the little blue big square pillows, and I kind of tied it in with the gray and white and stuff, so it works, but I don't care for it. So I did want to change this whole entire room around. I also found this little cute picture with the little blue in that. When I first moved here, I had bought white paint to paint this whole entire room white, but my dad was like, no, just do your little office area. So we ended up painting these two this one and this one. These two walls white, and it's not bad, but like again, I don't like the color in here. I just want to change the whole room around. This is my office area, so this is where I train my team and stuff. I definitely wanted to put doors on this as well because I don't like it just being open. I wanted my own office, but I'm reconsidering like if I should even do anything to this room because I don't believe we're going to be in this house much longer. I think we're going to end up getting a house built eventually. Got to pay off our student loan debt first, but that is like one of our future goals, to build our house and have my dad build it. But I know you're wondering like, why does she have a computer over here? So I had to get a replacement, and CJ was like fixing this one, because y'all know he works on computers and stuff, so he was fixing this one. And I had to purchase this one because I need a working computer. Yeah, for obvious reasons. But if you're wondering why I've been so busy, this is what I'm working on, you guys. This is all the people that I am helping in my business. All of them matter so much to me, and I work very hard to help them. So that is the entire tour. I'm about to go and get my nails and my toes done with a face mask, of course, and I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all say hey, CJ. Hey, CJ.
Right, man.
Huh?
She said she gonna go fast. I don't know what she's talking about.
I'm talking about this. Showing them this real quick.
Yeah, this is stuff I order. So got this for little man, says mama's boy, which I think that's a lie.
He used to be. Taylor used to be too.
Mama's boy.
Oh, this big.
Who that for?
Me. Mom.
What you mean for you? Look like a daggone large.
Well, I did want it to be oversized.
What size is that?
I don't know. Medium?
Is that mine?
No, but first coffee.
Oh man, wow, I didn't get your face in it while you were showing all that.
It's okay. This one, need my coffee. This is huge.
Yeah, you wild out.
I didn't know it was that big. Hey, this isn't everything I ordered. Yes, girl.
So, where is my shirt?
Where's the rest, right?
Did I get a shirt?
I definitely ordered Taylor's shirt. Hello guys, I just got back home. I got my nails done. It's one of my favorite colors, like a coral color. It looks orange, I think. Hopefully you can see. But yeah, I got my nails done. I got my eyebrows done. I got my toes done white. I'm not going back to that place no more because I kind of feel some type of way, but I ain't even gonna go there because it's not positive, and this is a positive place. But I want to say thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a blessed night.